Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audio cast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide, Anindya Bannerjee. The US stock markets had a wild ride. It was up at the open, but then it gave up all its gains and closed marginally lower. But at least because of a strong earnings from Apple, Dow futures are trading higher, and that is having a positive impact on the Asian equities. But oil prices are at a 7-year high, US bond yields are holding up, and dollar index is also strong. तो ये माहौल में डॉलर रुपी will have an upward push, but something जो डॉलर रुपी में missing रहा है for the past so many months is that जब भी upward move आया है, it did not have a very clean follow through. मतलब global factors के लिए it just goes higher and then it stalls and spends a few days at a higher range and then it gets another leg up. Abhi specifically that kind of a lack of follow through is coming because सामने union budget है, that's early next week, and budget में there is an expectation that certain announcements can be made which can have a positive impact on the flows into the country. One is that the amendment to the tax laws which will allow India's or government bonds inclusion in the global bond indices. दूसरा है the LIC IPO में FDI participation, because there was a talk in the media that the government may like to have a 10 to 20% FDI in LIC, and for that they have to amend the FEMA laws, and a 10 to 20% FDI in LIC can be a large number because considering the possible LIC valuation. And so all these things can create a lumpy flow. और इसके कारण we are not seeing that kind of an aggressive shorting in the rupee. दूसरा factor ये है कि which we have been saying that the corporate dollar flows has been quite heavy, और अभी अदानी विल्मर का IPO चल रहा है, so आज उसका भी impact रह सकता है on the dollar rupee. और तीसरा चीज़ है that because of attractive real yields on the Indian rupee, the carry traders are not yet panicking, because when carry traders panic, then ये जो upward move है dollar rupee में वो बहुत ही sharp होता है, because they throw in the towel and they start covering their shorts, etc., and it creates a very sharp up move. But वो चीज़ देखने को नहीं मिल रहा है. So because of these factors, so possibly हो सकता है कि till the union budget it may get that necessary support of all these, and up move जो है वो gradual हो. तो टेक्निकल लेवल्स 7470 के ऊपर जब तक स्पॉट है, which is around 7490 on the Feb futures, तब तक the bias is upward, and 7535 on the spot, which is 7555 on the Feb futures, is the immediate strong resistance zone. उसके beyond अगर sustain हुआ with volume, then it can aim for even 76 on the Feb futures, or even 7620 on the Feb futures. So these are the important levels to keep a watch. How to play, because bias is upward. You can buy the dips using futures, but maintain a stop below 7490 basis Feb futures on a daily closing basis. Or you can even do call spreads, or even a call spread is a better way to express the view, because उसमें risk कम होता है. Considering that the budget is near, we will not advise you to sell options at this point in time, either strangles or even just out of money directional bets at this point in time. So better to be long options and pay a little bit of premium so that your risk is limited. Euro INR will be under pressure, and so is GBP INR. JP INR will be largely range bound. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Bannerjee signing off. Have a fantastic day ahead.